Yes, audible. Zoom people, yesterday I think you was not in the class. Actually, there was a small little issue came, technical issue at that time. But don't worry. Today I will start and we will do a quick revision whatever yesterday I have discussed. So don't worry. Okay, don't worry. So now we are going to start the discussion. And today we will try to cover maximum topics, and then tomorrow we will do a quick revision from first day to till today, whatever we are going to discuss, and question discussion we will do. I think Sunday exams, someday you are going to write paper, na? On which day exams are there? Sunday, na? Sure? Now, listen very carefully. Yesterday I have discussed not so many things important, but whatever was there, that is important as per you, as per your yeah, sir. Tomorrow result means which result? Of SSC. Okay. You are, I think, trying to do preparation of NEET. Am I right? Oh, 10th class. Okay. School. Okay. Understood. Okay, definitely you will get a very good number. Don't worry. Relax. Now, concentrate today. What we are going to start. Now, we was discussed last to last class what ki negatively charged particles are available, yes, and positively charged, because negatively charged particle there, on the basis of that one concept came ki if atom is a neutral, so positively charged particle will be also there, and they discovered positively charged particle also, and after that they reach in the final conclusion ki okay, now we have divided the atom also, as well as we identified negatively charged particle as well as positively charged particle, and overall they neutralized the atom. Everyone was happy, and then they have started their studies. So first example I was taken ki hydrogen atom analysis. When they was doing the analysis of hydrogen atom, what they have observed, hydrogen atom has a representation like 1H1. This is atomic number. This is mass number. And for hydrogen atom, when they started to calculate inside hydrogen atom how many electrons are available, so number of electrons equal to how many, and number of protons are how many, then protons equal to 1. Whatever atomic number is actually decided for any atom, that is nothing just number of proton. So if one proton inside the neutral atom of hydrogen atom has, if one proton is present inside the neutral atom of hydrogen atom, so it is a common sense to neutralize the atom, one electron will be also there. So now number of electron is also 1. Yesterday also I have last class we have discussed mass of electron as well as mass of proton. Mass of electron we are considering negligible because it is 10 to the power minus 31 kg, very less. In compared to mass of electron, mass of proton is nearly considerable. Okay. So now if you are going to calculate the mass of any atom, we can say, because neutron not discovered right now, so we can say mass of an atom is nothing just equal to mass of protons whatever are present inside that atom. We can directly say it. Okay, so So neutron mass negligible, proton mass is what? How many proton is there? 1. And one proton mass in AMU, in atomic mass unit, is nearly 1. Is nearly 1 AMU or 1 U. U means unified mass, AMU means atomic mass unit. Atomic mass unit now these days is known as U, unified mass, U. Just name change happen and everything is same. So now if it has total 1 proton, so its mass will be mass equal to 1 into 1 proton mass. All these things yesterday I have already discussed. 1 into 1 AMU equal to 1 AMU, and practically whatever data was obtained of mass of hydrogen, that is also near to 1 AMU. Means here scientists are satisfied ki okay, there is no issue came, whatever they have said ki inside the there is no issue occurred in their point. What was their point? Inside the atom electron and proton are present. Next example, when they have taken next example, helium atom. Helium atom. Inside the helium atom, when they have observed 2He4, we know that helium atom representation is like this. Number of protons. Number of protons is nothing just what? 2. Number of electrons, everyone say it will be also 2. Very good. Because proton and neutron must be equal inside the neutral atom. Very nice. But from here, very important point came. Very important. Again, listen very carefully. Yesterday already I have told you. Once more I am telling you. Just concentrate this side. What is the important point? The important point is, if right now I am trying to find the mass of helium atom, I will say helium atom mass is equal to 2 into mass of proton. Mass of helium atom should be 2 into mass of protons, because mass of proton, because in the helium 2 protons are there. Electron mass we are considering negligible. So ideally helium mass should be whatever it will give you, whatever data will come from here, around that it should be, means 2 AMU. But practically mass of helium atom came 4 AMU. That was the problem. As per the concept ki electron and proton is available only inside the atom, so mass of helium atom should be 2 AMU. But practically when we are scientists are calculating the mass of helium, that is coming 4 AMU. Now everyone is in the confusion. What happened? Why? Electron mass we cannot add because electron mass is negligible. Means inside the atom there is one more particle available which don't have charge, because neutrality of the atom is successfully we are able to explain. But what we are not able to explain? Mass. Means there is one more particle available inside the atom which don't have charge, but it has mass, and that mass is also close to the mass of proton. This concept came in the mind of the scientist at that time, and now same thing. See, this type of problem happen again and again with other atoms. Only hydrogen atom satisfied because hydrogen atom don't have a neutron. Hydrogen atom don't have a neutron. So in the hydrogen atom problem not came. In the hydrogen atom problem not came. Mass of proton equal to hydrogen atom mass. It is equal. Practically whatever came and whatever theoretically observed, that is same. But when we are doing the same calculation for other you can say elements, it has observed that problems are there. And then concept of neutron came in the picture, and then Chadwick was a scientist who obtained the success in this you can say problem, and he has identified that one more particle which was neutral, as well as its mass was near to mass of proton and little higher but close to mass of proton. And then Chadwick has, yesterday I told also that Chadwick has taken what? One beryllium foil. In that beryllium foil bombarded alpha particles, and when alpha particles bombarded in the beryllium foil, then one new particle generates. That new particle was neutron, which mass is a little higher than proton, but charge is 0. So that was the concept behind to obtain neutron. How? It is a common sense. There will be a need, then discovery happen. There was a need because mass was not able to balance. It was again and again problematic. Again and again it was problematic. Then they went in to then they tried to find its solution, and then they get the selection. You can say they get success, and the result was neutron at that time. So this is the wrong mass. Up now, neutron when discovered, all these things already I have told you in the last class. So just concentrate and listen only. So now we can say atom has 3 types of subatomic particles: electron, proton, and neutron. They are the representation. Mass order, if you want to write order of mass, then you will say neutron mass is maximum, quite less mass of proton, but nearly equal, but little more. And mass of electron is minimum, and we are saying it negligible. Just remember that. In depth study we will do when you will come in the class. Right now it is enough information for the understanding of what is going on, which kind of particles are there. And one more thing I said in the last class, they are not only the particles inside the atom. Further, more studies happen, and they have obtained other particles also: antiproton, positron, antineutron, neutrino, antineutrino. So many are there, but their role is very minute roles are there. Very minute roles. So minute roles are there. So major role to build to the atom is actually given to these 3 particles. So we are discussing about these 3: electron, proton, neutron. Again I am saying Chadwick has done what? One person is saying what Chadwick has done. Chadwick has taken one beryllium foil, metal foil, an alpha particle. One day I have told you what is alpha particle. Helium +2 ion is known as alpha particle. He has bombarded the alpha particle on the helium, in this beryllium foil. Then one particle generate actually as a result, and that particle has no charge and mass is quite more than the proton. Okay, very good. Now after that, very important thing I have started to discuss: counting of electron, proton, neutron in the neutral atom. And then I said yesterday that we will discuss today counting of electron, proton, neutron in the ions, and what are the logic, what are the reasons of the formation of ion. So now we are coming in that. So if we are saying this is X is the element, X is element. Concentrate everyone. From here we will discuss some question. Rutherford is coming in model. Now electron, proton, neutron discovered now. After that, now scientist was curious कि what was the you can say appearance, means what was the actual condition of the atom, means atom actually look like in which manner, where these particles are situated inside the atom, what is their arrangement, in which location which particle is there. That curiosity started to came right now slowly. And then atomic models came in the picture. First model, Thomson model, plum pudding model, watermelon model, if you have heard about that. Then Rutherford has done some experiments and he has decided so many points, he has concluded as per his result so many points, and on the basis of that Rutherford has given its own atomic model. It is also failed. Thomson model, first Thomson model came, it is failed. Then Rutherford model came, that is also failed. Then Bohr came, Bohr has given, and Bohr was logically sustained for long time, but Bohr also failed. Now these days we are doing discussion of which atomic model? Quantum atomic model. That is the latest model which we are using, and it is also incomplete, not able to satisfy 100%. But this is the, we will, when you will come in the class, we will discuss in detail. Right now, just curiosity I am going to create inside you. This study is very wonderful. If you will try to understand the things as a story, as a history, because chemistry has history. Initially, history is there. How much it was tough to get these things one by one, and in the chemistry, it is mentioned. Chemistry first telling about its history, and then it is coming in the actual thing. So we will discuss, we will do so much work, we will try to understand, and it is very wonderful subject. Very wonderful. You will love it. Now, come to the point. Assume the representation of what? Element. Normally, whatever we are writing here, that is represented as a Z, and this side, whatever present, that is represented as, that is known as A. What is Z? Z is known as atomic number. A is known as mass number. Who are the people, or which type of people are going to decide atomic number of any atom? If you have idea, hydrogen atomic number 1, helium 2, beryllium 4, lithium 3, boron 5. What is the reason? Why we have given hydrogen 1 and helium 2 and lithium 3, boron 4? Sorry, boron 5. Number of protons. Yes. Because now we know inside the atom, particles are available. So on the basis of these particles, now we have started to give atomic number, mass number, all these things. Very good. So atomic number, yesterday also I have explained all these things. Atomic number is actually nothing, just number of protons. Number of protons, whatever present inside the atom, that is atomic number. And I hope by discussion of these history, whatever we have done, you know, whatever protons are present, same number of electron will be present automatically. Am I right or not? Because atom is neutral. So now it is no sense, no need to learn कि proton number and electron number are same. It is common sense. Atom is neutral, and to maintain the neutrality of the atom, we have required same number of proton and same number of electrons. So whatever protons are available, same number of electron right now. If anyone will come and tell you, tell me in the carbon how many proton present? 6. How many electrons? 6. Okay, very simple. Now, number of proton. What is A? What is A? A is representing the mass number. Listen. Mass number and atomic weight, two terms are there. I know you have heard about that earlier. Who are doing study and little bit they have studied, they have idea, they have heard it. But do you know both are two different things? Mass number is a different thing and atomic mass is different thing. By default, their values are nearly same, so that we have direct learned that mass number is equal to atomic mass. We have learned that. But logically, definition wise, they both are different. Very minute thing I am telling. Mass number and atomic mass, they are two different terms. They are two different things. They are explaining two different points, but they are nearly same. Very good. Very good, very good, very good. So now mass number is equal to mass number. What is mass number? What is A? Whatever we are representing, like when 2He4 written, 3Li7 written, 6C12 written, and its isotopic condition, if I want to write, 6C14 also exists. So what they are? What is this 4? What is this 7? What is this 12? What is this 14? So they are known as nucleons. Yes, mass number or nucleons or proton plus neutron. I repeat, they known as nucleons or mass number or proton plus neutron. Very good. So it is actually proton plus neutron. It's sum. So now, if I know this value, A value, if I know Z value, so we can easily calculate electron, proton and neutron in the neutral atom. I am discussing all these things about neutral atom. Only about neutral atom. So now come to the point. First example. Till this topic I have discussed yesterday. Now 6C14. This is the isotopic condition of isotope of carbon. Isotope we will discuss in detail further in the class. But what is isotope? So now come to the point. First point, number of proton. So whatever written here, that is nothing, just number of proton, 6. Second, number of electron. Because atom is neutral, so it will be 6 also, same. But number of neutrons are equal to 14 minus number of proton, we will get 8. Means what? Number of neutron is nothing, just A minus Z. And I hope you have understand one more word, isotopes. Isotopes. Common sense use karo. You are the smart people, smart students. So now, if you are smart, then use the brain and think about the isotopes. Isotopes, it means isotopes are those people. Isotopes are those people which has atomic number same, because number of proton in the 6C12 as well as 6C14 and 6C12, number of protons are what? Same. But what is the difference between these two forms? What is the difference? Mass number. And mass number is different because of mass number is different because of number of neutrons. So that is the point of isotopes. Whatever isotopes are available in the market of any element, Actually, number of neutrons are different. And because of different number of neutrons, we are getting different mass numbers, and we are saying them they are isotopes. It is the common sense. So many things automatically you will what? Understand. If you are trying to understand the subject, if you are learning, then learn, then no issue, you will forget. Learning things are going to forget very easily. Try to understand maximum how much you can understand, and then okay, whatever learning part we will learn automatically. Very good. So now 6C12, if you are saying this, observing this, so what will you say? Number of proton equal to 6, number of electron is equal to 6 because neutral, and number of neutron equal to 12 minus 6 equal to 6. So in this manner, you can find number of electron, proton, neutron in any atom if you know A and you know Z. Means you know atomic number and you know mass number. But what will happen when ions are given? Think. Ions given. Ions given, then what will you do? That is interesting. Ions. Very important. Ions. I hope you have heard the term cation, anion. Am I right? Give me the response quick. Yeah, very good. Cation. Cations. Anions. Cations are which kind of people? Positively charged or negatively charged? Very good. Positive ions. Very nice. They are positive ions. And anions, they are negative ions. Cations, like you have seen Na plus Mg plus 2 Al plus 3 Ca plus 2 etc. So many are. You know negative ions also you have heard, I have idea. Like example, fluoride ion, bromide ion, oxide ion, nitride ion, sulfide ion, so many are there, etc. They are the simple cation and ion. Complex also are there. Complex means when more than 2-3 atoms elements are available inside that. Like ammonium ion, NH4 plus, that is also cation, but not simple. Sulfate, SO4 minus 2, carbonate, CO3 minus 2, bicarbonate or hydrogen carbonate, HCO3 minus 1, etc. So many are there, so many. And very important, and we will discuss, we will study about them in the whole year, and what is their role, in which manner they do reactions, what happened when you will give heat to their salts, and so many things are there. Okay, but right now today I want to discuss in which manner these ions are actually generate. What is the process? What is the method? What is the logic? What is the reason? Because of that these ions came in the picture. Very simple. Very simple. Stability. Chemical reaction. Do you know why ions form? That is also very important. What is the reason? Interesting. Anyone has idea? Why? What is the reason ions generate stability? Stability. Sure. Okay. So many people are saying stability. So I am asking one more question. Ki neutral atom is more stable or neutral body is more stable or ionic charged body is more stable? Which body is more stable? Neutral one. Okay. One side you are saying neutral more stable, and another side you are saying ki ion formed because of stability. Dangerous. Think. Na is more stable or Na plus ion is more stable? Mixed answer are coming. So now listen everyone. Okay. Thank you so much for your response. This side also people are okay, curious. They are today you have started to do study. YouTube people, what happened? Only busy in the chatting, doing continuous chat, I don't know what. Entire life is there, bro, to do all these things. Now this is the time to do study, build your future, do work, whatever you want to become. Regarding that, you should do work. Don't waste. Time is very important. Very important. You will understand one day. But who has understand in a right time, they are going to do big. Who are going to understand the importance of time later, problem is there. So select, you are the person or you are the people, which type of people who understand the importance of time on a right time or when or later. You have to decide. Chalo, theek hai. Now I am going to discuss. Ignore the moral lectures are like they will never complete. So now come to the topic. Today we are going to start the discussion regarding formation of ions. What is the logic? What is the reason? What is the reason ki ions generate? Few people has given right answer ki they are trying to complete the octet, but after one more question then arises. If any person or any atom is trying to achieve the octet, then is it like that ki 100% it will become stable? Think. Give me the answer. If octet completion happen, then it will get the stability. No. YouTube people today participating? No, yes, no. Not enough. Only completion of octet is not enough. Completion of octet is the first step to achieve the stability. Right now journey is long journey is there. They have to do something more also. More work they have to do. More activities they have to do after that. But yes, octet completion, in that you can say it is the first step. Yes, we can consider like that. Yes, true. But only after going to achieve the octet, stability will attain, then you are wrong. Otherwise, conflict happen. One side you are saying that neutral body is more stable than charged body. So sodium and Na plus, do you know? Na plus has complete octet electronic configuration. Then Na plus should be more stable. But you are saying that neutral body more stable. Problem. It is not like that. It not works in this manner. So many things are there which we will discuss. We have to study. Yes, it is good. You have basic little formations. It's nice. But we will work more, then we will make it perfect. So now come to the point. I'm coming to the point. First point is what? First point. Listen. Don't waste time right now. First important point is what? First important point key if ignore. Do you know the periodic table? I know you have idea about the periodic table. In the periodic table, to whom we are saying ki they have most stable electronic configuration. Tell me, noble gases. Yeah, very good. Noble gases. Noble gases have what? Most stable electronic configuration. Most stable means their octet is complete. Their all orbitals are totally filled. They don't want to take electron from anyone. They don't want to give electron to anyone. They don't want to make bond with anyone. Means what? They are already in the stable condition. They don't want to do anything. And these people in the market, what we are saying them? Baba. Baba people who give lectures and all. They have so many siddhis. So noble group, inert gases are the member of Baba group. 18th group, I am going to say them Baba group. Baba group means so many Babas are there. Helium Baba, neon, very good. Argon Baba, Krypton Baba, all are Babas there. They don't want to make bond with anyone. They don't want to take electron. They don't want to release electron. Very good. So now, and one more question is there. One more question is what? Why you are going to become doctor? Why you all people wants to become doctor? To serve people means social work. You will do social work. You will not charge anything for that. Money. Very good. Yes, money. Yes. Obviously, I will do work, hard work. Money is the primary thing. Yes. So don't be shy. But to earn money, don't sell kidney. Is it okay? Matlab, you will be a good doctor, perfect doctor. It is not like that ki wrong method you have started to apply. So yes, we will actually doing that much hard work. We are doing that much hard work today so that we can earn good, and what you will get by earning good? Stability. Yes, stability. Life will be stable, good, and we can enjoy, we can purchase whatever we want. Yes, we will get stability. And for that today we all have decided that we want to become doctor and we will earn good. Because you know doctors earns good. Okay, stability. Same as it is other elements which don't have noble gas electronic configuration, they are also thinking ki Baba group people are the 18th group people and they are very stable. And when they are very stable, then we should also get the stability. Then what should we do? So all other elements has only first basic idea, complete the octet, because they have complete octet and they are stable. So everyone try to complete the octet. They complete the octet means they will try to achieve nearest inert gas electronic configuration. What they will try to achieve? Nearest inert gas electronic configuration. Yes. And to get nearest inert gas electronic configuration, otherwise they will accept the electron, otherwise they will remove the electron, because further, when atomic models we will discuss, in the atomic models, it has clearly, means when we will discuss atomic models, whenever you will see neutron and proton are present inside the nucleus, so that I told nucleons. Nucleons means those particles which are inside the nucleus, and nucleons is equal to mass number. So which are easily available, who are easily available to extract or to insert, which are in the periphery. It is a common sense. When I am going to do what? Robbery. Just assume anyone is going to do robbery, what will happen? It will go and direct enter in the main chamber, or from outside it will observe whatever easily available, take and run. Obviously outside, take and run. That will happen. Same as it is when you are going to remove electron from when you want to remove any particle from the atom, obviously which are in the periphery, that particle is easy to remove, and that is actually electron. That study or that information you will you can say all these things you will understand when atomic models we will discuss. Because ions I have started to discuss, basic discussions are going on. I know also any topic is not possible to finish in this limited time period. Just I want to give you some information so that curiosity can generate inside you. So now easily we can insert or we can remove from any atom, that is which particle? Electron. That is clear right now. Because from nucleus to remove people are very tough. And when it is easily available or easily you are able to remove or insert, so on the basis of electron removal and addition, ions created. In which manner? Now see. Think I have a lithium atom. I have written lithium atom. Okay, lithium atom. Total how many electrons, protons lithium has? Lithium representation just do Li, 3 Li7. 3 Li7, so number of protons equal to 3. Number of electron equal to 3, and number of neutron equal to 7 minus 3, it will come 4. Okay, good. What will happen, or just think, nearest Baba is which one? Nearest Baba element? Helium. Yes. Helium atomic number 2, lithium atomic number 3. So nearest Baba is helium Baba. So it will try to achieve electronic configuration similar to helium. Helium has 2 electrons. It has 3 electrons. So what it will try to do? What is easy to do? Remove 1 electron. To lose 1 electron. Very good. So to lose 1 electron is easy. So what it will do? It will release. So lithium atom, which is neutral, released 1 electron. Now what will generate here? It is very easy to understand. Common sense use. Earlier 3 proton, if 1 proton charge I am saying plus 1. So 3 proton total charge plus 3. 1 electron charge is what? Minus 1. So 3 electron charge minus 3. So plus 3 minus 3. 1 electron gone. So now 1 electron gone. So plus 3 minus 2. Net is what? Plus 3, because 3 proton is still present. And minus 2 left. So total came plus 1. Because of that plus 1 charge is there. So if anyone will tell you lithium ion, so which ion, which structure should spark in your mind? Li plus. Very good. It is cation or anion? Sir, it is cation. It is cation. Very good. Do you know? Now, what will you give me the answer? Lithium ion, inside the lithium ion, when lithium ion is going to form, then what happened? 1 electron removed. So we can say very easily, if I am observing the lithium ion, I have 2 perceptions. What? One person said or think in this manner. If one person is saying Li plus has one electron less, true or false? True. Or they can say one proton more than its electron. Dekho, I am saying plus one can be created by adding one extra proton also. But proton we don't have added. We know that. You know that. We have removed the electron. We are not going to add proton. We are not going to add proton. We are going to remove electron. Because of that, plus one came. That is the important thing. So first statement came. Lithium plus formed by the removal of one electron from its neutral state. True. The statement true or false? True. Second statement, lithium plus formed by accepting one proton, then its neutral atom. Then wrong. That not happen. Third statement, very interesting. Lithium plus has one proton more than its electron. It is also true. Because right now, what is the situation of Li plus? What is the situation of Li plus? Observe. Now this person has number of protons same. Proton number will not change because electron removed. Li has whatever number of protons, same number of proton Li plus also have. But what will you say? What will you say? Number of electrons are how many? 2. And number of neutrons, same. Number of neutrons also remain same. That is what? 4. So whenever ions, you will observe only one thing should come in your mind. Proton, neutron are exactly same right now also in compared to its neutral atom. Only electron difference is present. I repeat, only electrons are different. Very good. Not proton, not neutron. They will remain same. Good. But now what is the current situation of this person? Current situation is one proton more than its number of electrons. So that third statement will become also true. But it doesn't mean that one proton added. When assertion reason statement type question came, they play like this in the words, in the wording, in the statements. They just try to trap you in their state by writing statements. You know who has learned that ki Li plus, who has no idea behind the scene what happened, they can be trapped in the statement. So overall proper study you have to do, very minute things, very basic, simple things. Sometimes people are going to leave it. But no, it is very important to give you clarity. Okay. Similarly, now we are going to discuss one negative ion. Think about O minus 2. But before discussion about O minus 2, first neutral atom O just take 6 nahi. What is the atomic number of oxygen atom? 8. Mass number 16. Very good. So now number of protons 8. And it is neutral, so number of electron also 8, and number of neutrons equal to 16 minus 8 equal to 8. But when we are thinking about oxide ion, O minus 2. Oxide ion, anyone said, means it is O minus 2. So in the O minus 2, what will you say? Number of proton, sir, remain same, because in the ions proton and neutron always remain same. One very good, very good. Ki why? What is the reason ki it has made minus 2? Yes, it is a good question, because nearest Baba is which Baba? Bolo, bolo, bolo. Tell. Nearest neon Baba, very good. And neon Baba has total how many electron? 10. Oxygen has right now 8. It will take how many electron? 2. And it is thinking ki after doing this, stability will come, but not came. Oxide ion is not stable, because charge came, na? 99% cases, charged bodies are less stable. 1-2 cases happen in the organic, when you will see few examples are there where charged is more stable than neutral, but rare case, other factors are there. But 99% cases, charged bodies are not stable. Okay. So now, because it is thinking in nearest Baba is the neon Baba, so it is trying to get electronic configuration like neon, and it has taken 2 electron. Very good. And now, but proton remains same. How many proton here? 8. Here also proton 8. Number of electrons 10. Very good. 2 taken. So 8 plus 2 equal to 10. But number of neutrons same. It will also remain same. 8. Okay. Good. But is that oxide ion is stable? No. Is that lithium ion is stable? No. But they was thinking they will get, but not achieved. They tried, but not achieved. So that I told it is the first step. First, why charged bodies are not stable? Common sense lagao. You want to become Baba. Baba means anything happen, you will not affect. You want to be stable. Any kind of problem is around you, but it cannot affect you. Then I can say you are stable. Think any positive charge body is moving in the market, and sudden one more positive charge body came. So what will happen? Repulsion. Disturbed. One positive charge body moving and negative charge body came. Attraction. Again disturbed. The basic sense hai yaar ye. Yes or no? The basic sense. Opposite attracts. Stability not there. Stability when all these things finished. No attraction, no repulsion. I told Baba. So now, come to the point. This is the first step. Now they want to become neutral. When they will become neutral, then they will get stability. And what is the logic? Very simple. Similarly, if just one more example, everyone knows ki Na2O, sodium oxide. I hope everyone has seen this. In which manner it has formed? Think, it is very simple. Sodium take. Sodium 11 atomic number. Nearest Baba, neon. What it will do? Remove 1 electron. Very good. So it will remove 1 electron and become like Na plus. Good. Oxygen atom 8 electron. Nearest again same neon Baba. It will take 2 electron. Try to convert itself into -2. Now it has total 10 electron. It has also 10 electron. Earlier it has 11 electron, and earlier it has 8 electron. But right now both has number of electron equal to neon. But are they stable? No. But if by any manner they will neutralize to each other, they can make a stable body, stable structure. And that will be stable because octet already completed. Charge also finished. Ionic bond came in the picture. Very good. That is the logic behind the ionic bond. That is the reason of the ionic bond. Ionic bond came in the picture by all these things happened behind the scene. Now think, crisscross method, I know you have idea. Just I am going to give you logic behind that, the crisscross. One oxygen has how much minus charge? -2. -2 will neutralize by +2 only. It is a simple general sense. -2 neutralized by +2. One sodium ion has how much charge? +1. Tell me how many sodium ion required? 2. So that Na2 means Na ions 2, oxide ion 1, body neutral. This is the first basic sense. Now what is the shortcut? Do crisscross and finish. No need to think. So no need to think. So if you want to go with the trick, that trick is crisscross, +1 here, -2 here, right like that, you will get Na2O. That's it. But logic is that total -2, so total +2 you have to obtain. Now calcium ion, Ca+2, O -2, 1 atom take and merge. Well, 1 ion take and club. So CaO. We are saying now when that same, then don't write. Why don't write? Because they are neutralizing to each other. Think. Ca+2, O -2. Why you are not writing Ca2O2? We are saying cut. Not cut. It is a normal sense. Total -2, total +2, 1 percentage and neutral. Khatam. Finished. Very good. Very good, very good, very good, very good. So to get the stability, some people make ions, then ionic bond they form. Some people make covalent bond. Yes, covalent bond also they form. Sometimes coordinate. So many studies. So much studies are there. In detailed discussion we will do when you will come in the class, and you will enjoy also. Don't worry. Everything I will try to visualize you whatever is going on behind the scene. We will study, but visualization in our mind should always run. Then I can say that is the actual study. No, learning are there. I am not saying 100% chemistry is like that. You will only understand few parts are there where practical things came, and when practical things came, then logics will not work there. But yes, 90% chemistry you can understand, 10% chemistry you will learn. Then it is okay. If anyone will say chemistry also learn 100%, don't do. Otherwise you will stuck. Very good. So I hope you have understand all these things. Tomorrow in next class, I will discuss with you Thomson model, and I will try to discuss Rutherford model also. Otherwise Thomson model, and then I will revise all the things whatever we have discussed from the first lecture, so that next day whatever paper will be there, you can do better there also. So I will think what to do, because this much points was there. I want to discuss so many things, but time limitations are there, and so many points are there, so many things are there. We will do. Chalo, okay, bye bye. Thank you so much.